Morning, guys. We are in Kelowna now. Look at Auntie Linda's roses. Aren't they pretty? We are at Auntie Linda's house and we're gonna go to the mall and go shopping. It's kind of cloudy today. So today is not gonna be a beach day. What do we have for breakfast? Hash browns and coffee. I think it's about 12 right now, maybe a little past 12. Yeah, so all we did was travel this morning and that was it. And we will see you at the mall. Bubble tea. This is mango bubble tea. Yeah.
I just learned how to do this the other day.
This is avocado and sweet mushroom roll. Yam roll.
This is called stuck the ginger in it.
And avocado roll.
Soy sauce doesn't taste very good.
Looks good.
You're videoing
Say
me.
hi.
Hi. Hi.
Auntie Linda. How was your dinner?
It was incredible. It was
Yeah.
really good.
Super good.
Yeah,
And you feel
No, I
fully
did.
satisfied?
I am what they call stuffed.
And now we're gonna go get candy.
Yeah, because I need candy.
Yeah. We need sweets. How's your dinner?
It's good. Well, I look really burnt in this lighting.
I know this lighting makes us look really red. Dinner was awesome. I have one
Our
left.
dinner was great, Auntie Linda.
One left that I just can't do it.
Oh, that was rude.
I know, I would have just smashed it in your face, but I'm scared. I really would, but Kenzie scares me. Don't. Kenzie, how's your day so far?
Good, I'm really hungry.
I smell coffee.
It's because we're beside Starbucks.
We're wandering around trying to find food, and we just found all the food. Hey guys! Morning. It's Monday now, and we have been shopping and walking around. And now we just stopped at Kenzie's favorite place, which is the poutine place, and they have veggie gravy. So I'm gonna give it a try. I haven't tried it before. It looks good. It smells good. It's actually really good. So we're just gonna sit outside and good.
Delish.
We're all done eating now and we're gonna walk down by the water. It's a gorgeous day outside. Here we are at the fountain. Oh, that made me sick. Just turn around in a circle. Yeah, so we're just gonna walk around and check things out.
Okay.
This way?
Maybe so the ducks can get up here.
So cute. Well, there's 3 of them.
Ducky, ducky, quack, quack, quack.
I hope they come float by us.
Quack, quack, quack.
Oh, they are coming. Look at the ducks. Aw, so cute. They're coming right up to say hi.
So cute.
They are so adorable. They're just chilling. You should stick your feet in, Kens.
Why?
I don't know. Because it'd be
Maybe pet it?
fun. Hi, duck. The duck is very curious about Kenzie. It wants to come over. Just don't lose your shoe in there, because I'm not going in after it. So we found these stairs that you can just come down and sit at the water. We're just gonna sit and play with the ducks for a bit. Not play with the ducks, but watch the ducks. Yeah, that's about it. Let's stop to my favorite store. are those the ones that are kind of loose? Hi guys, it's afternoon now, and we are walking down the street from Auntie Linda's house. Hey Kens.
Hello.
To the beach.
This is my new Lululemon shirt.
Yes, Lululemon was good as usual. Our favorite store. Yeah, it's super awesome because she lives probably 10-minute walk. Not even. Straight down the street, past the hospital, and then boom, you are on the beach. So we'll see you guys when we get there. It's super nice out. It's a little bit windy, but nice. See you soon. Feels like the longest walk in the world, hey?
Yeah, it's so cold.
Oh, it's so hot. It's awesome, but hot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we are at the beach. I was right, it was about 10 minutes.
Tell you the fish had to stop him. So nice. Maybe that's true. Oh no.
Here we are in the Oriental Market, checking out all the cool stuff. Churros! We're still in the market, and we're filling up our basket. I found, this looks so cool, sugarcane and light syrup. It's like the most giant container full. And yeah, there's lots of stuff in this market. Kenzie, you like it here?
I love this store.
Kenzie's finding so many treasures,
So much
and yeah, she's finding lots of treasures.
half of this cart is mine.
I think more than half the cart. Oh, I found this.
Yeah, show the can.
I did. Purple yam. They look like taquitos, but they're vegan, so I'm gonna give them a go. I just found giant haw flakes.
Look at this. Purple yam candy.
Purple yam candy, yum.
Oh, look.
I love haw flakes. These are
Jackfruit.
giant. Ooh, jackfruit. Nice. Look how giant they are.
They're like weird to me.
They're awesome. Regular size haw flakes that come in the little packages that I ate when I was a kid.
Those are so good.
So good. Okay, I found these at the till. Whoops, sorry. Found these at the till. And they have strawberry flavor and vanilla flavor. And they're vegan. Well, they're melty, even though we just got them out of here. This one's all broken, but this is what it looks like. Mmm, it smells good. It's like a chocolate chip cookie with some cream in the middle. Kenzie got a drink and she exploded it all over the van.
Watermelon, but it has the ball that you push in. Soaked Mom and soaked the whole middle of the van.
Yeah, she soaked us.
At least it smells good.
It's actually really good.
Whoa, this is crazy.
Now we're gonna go back home and get ready for dinner. Okay, here's my market finds. I got the sugarcane and syrup. I found these on my way to the till. Mango flavored rice cakes. Those look good. This is rice cake with berry flavored bean paste, which I'm undecided if that sounds gross or that sounds good. They're squishy. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure on those. And then those ones that I showed you. These are the purple yam, and then these are the cookies that I showed you, and the haw flakes. So that is what I got at the market. Here we are, all ready to go out for dinner. We're gonna go to Earls on Top, my favorite restaurant ever. We're just waiting for our cab to come, and then we're gonna go for dinner, so I'll show you what we're having.
And we're gonna have a little drink.
More than one, yeah.
Well, just one, okay?
Just one for you, you old lady.
two.
Old lady's just gonna have one.
No.
Yeah?
Maybe two.
Or three. 2 or 3. See you guys when we get there.
The view from the restaurant. Look at this cute view. Look at this cutie pie. Look at this other cute view. I get to look at 2 cutie pies as I'm having dinner.
Yeah, the sunshine.
I love it. There's the sails down there. So pretty. Here's Mom. Yum, meat burger. Yum. Windy. We went out on our boaties, got tossed around by the waves. Super fun. Now we're just sun tanning for a little bit. We're nice though. Now, done with the beach. Kenzie's bowling. We're burnt and having fun.
That's 50 and 50, Mom. They better stay 100. Don't you dare. Oh, I thought I was going to drop that.
How many did you win?
110.
110?
Thanks for playing.
60 is still coming out.
I was going to do this one last time and never
Hi, Missy. Hi. Hi. Hey! Where'd you go? Missy! Hi! Are you so excited? Are you so excited? Hey, you little cutie pie. Hey, are you so excited? That's the end of our trip. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna go and unload the vehicle and unpack.